Hey everybody, so I just finished this beautiful gel manicure and I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna do a fill on these. So let's get started. So to do a fill, I'm just gonna take a little bit of the layer off of this poly gel, and then I'm just gonna fill it up with a thin layer, make it longer too. So I got this basic looking drill on Amazon. I'm just gonna go ahead and drill off a little layer of this gel polish. We're just taking off that first layer of the stamping polish that I did and maybe thin it out a little bit. So now that I've removed a thin layer of that poly gel, I can actually see my natural nail all right there. And you can see that my natural nails are actually pretty long. I just wanted to extend it by a little bit. You guys can see that. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and prep the nail now some more. BI file and file it down a little bit more. Why not? Alrighty, we're just gonna clean off that nail. So for this old poly gel, I used a light pink color because of the style of nails I wanted, and this one that we're gonna use is by UR Sugar, and I'm gonna squeeze it out of the tube. You're gonna see that it's clear. See all that? Anyways, we're gonna use this bit later, but first we're gonna use this UR Sugar base coat. That way the poly gel can adhere better. Here we go, here we are, base coat. Now we don't need too much, we just need a nice little bit of it so that way the poly gel could adhere. We're gonna use this pop-off form. Here we are. And go ahead and put it in. We're gonna put it right in there. We're gonna dip our brush into this solution. But I'm just gonna put it right on the brush right there, just a little drop. Alright. And we're gonna maneuver this around, bitches. Since I'm trying to extend this nail a little bit longer, we're trying to maneuver this nail up here, bitch. This is not that easy. This is only my second time playing with poly gel. So you know, this is not as easy as they make it look in YouTube videos, so when you're doing this, just give it your best. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of this liquid on my brush directly because that's the way I do it. I don't care about having a fancy little anything. I'm not fancy. I'm the opposite of fancy. So anyways, let's see if we can just go ahead and pop this little sucker on there. Not bad. Giving it a little bit more length. We're gonna just go ahead and cook it in the oven now. Here it is after being cured, and I don't think it's nearly long enough the way I want it to be, so I'm gonna go ahead and just add some poly gel at the end, just a tiny bit, just a little dollop, you see? A little dollop will do ya, or a little dab will do ya. A little dollop will do ya. I like that better. It's more kid appropriate. Anyways, so here we go. Too much liquid. I'm just gonna maneuver this around. Maneuver it around. I think it's getting to the desired. Oh yeah, I think it's getting there. I think it's there. I think it's there. I think we're there. Lengthwise. Just wanna make sure it's not fucked up in any way. Okay. I think we're gonna pop it in now. Alrighty, here we are. We're gonna go ahead and pop it off now. I'm gonna maneuver it back and forth. Oh. Wow, that sounded really cringy. Look at that nail. I got a nail, beach. Looks about the same size, but we might have to work around it. You see all that? All that's not okay. So we're gonna move our tools out the way and we're gonna get to filing. Yay, filing. Just continue filing, bitches. One of a kind, BTS. It's so shiny. Look at my nail. Look how shiny. You see the shiny? This is jojoba oil, and it's really good for your cuticles, but it's actually really good for your natural nail. Hot pink nails for my hot pink backpack. OMG!